Out in the estuary, Zebedee was trying yet again to carry out Captain Zero's orders.
Help!
What the? Who's that?
Help! Out here!
Oh no, Coastguard.
It wasn't his lucky day. Zebedee had enough on his deck as it was, but he couldn't ignore someone in trouble.
Never thought I'd be glad to see you, Zebedee.
What? Oh dear, how is a Coastguard getting this mess?
Johnny Cuba pushed me into the rocks. My engine's dead. I need a tow.
Johnny who?
Don't play dumb with me. I hear Zero and Johnny are good buddies.
Oh, not anymore. Captain Zero, we...
So you do know him?
Hey? Oh, yeah. No, I just come out here to see if a ship might need a tow, you know, with these winds and that.
Salvage is what you're after. Well, you'll get something if you get me into port, I'm sure.
Yeah, you need repairs. Take it to Lucky's yard.